Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how you can unlock your device, be it an Android or an iPhone, and use it just like before. I will show you how you can remove the lock screen from your device. So I'll be talking about this software called Dr. Phone by Wondershare. It is available for both Android and iOS devices. So download it from the link given below and install it on your PC. Device I will be using is an Android device running on Android version 9.0. It is a Xiaomi device having MIUI skin on top of it. So now back to PC, open Dr. Phone application. Once opened, you can see it has lots and lots of features for your mobile phone like phone transfers, WhatsApp data transfers and all that. Today we'll just be talking about screen unlock feature. So click on it and you will get option whether to unlock Android or an iOS device. I am using an Android device for now, so that's what I'll be clicking on. Now it tells you to connect your device using USB cable, so I'll be doing just that. You can see what I'm doing with my phone in the bottom right corner of your screen. So I'll just connect it to my PC, and just like that, the Dr. Phone has started the process of unlocking the device. It will search for the model number of the phone, the firmware and all that stuff, and will tell you how to proceed further in unlocking your device. So now it is showing a warning that all data on your device will be erased once you do it. If you had a backup, that's good. Now also, if you had Samsung or Xiaomi device like I have, you have to enter Samsung ID or MI ID once you unlock your device. So that's something you should be knowing. Now I will click on unlock now. Okay, so now it shows me instructions for further steps. So I'll be doing just that. You can see in the bottom right corner what I'm doing with my phone. First, I will power off this device by holding the power button. Once it is off, I will be pressing volume up and power button simultaneously until the Redmi logo shows up. And just like that, instructions of Dr. Phone changed. Now it is telling me to do a data reset using volume keys and power button, and I'll do just that. I will wait for the process to complete. Okay, it is done now. I will simply reboot the device. It may take some time, so be patient with it. Alright, so this was what I was talking about. My device is now asking for MI account ID and password, so I'll just fill that in. Again, it may ask for your previous pattern. You can simply choose to sign in with your Google account. Alright guys, you can see the device is just like brand new with no screen lock, no password, any kind of password that may prevent you to log in. So now I will be showing you how to unlock your iPhone if you have your screen locked. If you forgot your pin, pattern, anything like that, I'll be telling you how to unlock your iPhone. I'll be using an iPhone 6s for demonstration purposes. So iPhones are kinda complicated because of some changes in home buttons in recent years. So for iPhone 6, 6s and below that who have a physical home button, you have to press home button plus power key once your device is switched off. For iPhone 7, 7 Plus, you will press volume down plus power button once it is powered off, as it lacks a clickable home key. You can see the instructions on the Dr. Phone screen. And for iPhone 8 and above, you can see the instructions on the screen. These are kinda complicated. So as I'm using an iPhone 6s, I will be going with the first instructions. Again, you can see the device in the bottom right corner of your screen. So first of all, switch off your iPhone by holding the power key and sliding to power off. Once powered off, hold power key plus home key unless this kind of screen pops up, and just like that, the instructions on Dr. Phone also changes. Here you can see it has automatically identified the model name and everything. Here is written iPhone 6s. Click on start and you will get your unlocked iPhone. So that's it for the video guys. If you have any doubt, please leave in the comment section below. Links for Dr. Phone are in description below too. Thank you for watching.